Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show, we have the stunning 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE. Under the hood, you're going to find a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, and again, as mentioned, all-wheel drive. It is shown in this stunning Phoenix orange metallic color, which pairs beautifully with those 20-inch black wheels that are housing a great set of Goodyear tires. We are going to take you through this quickly, but if you have any additional questions or you just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So you do get this factory remote with your power lift tailgate, panic button. You have signal light indicators there on the mirrors, which is a great safety feature. And I just want to give you again a quick shot of those 20-inch black wheels and the Goodyear tires. They are a mud and snow edition. Beautiful two-tone interior. You have a nice kind of creamy color mixed with black, of course, power mirrors, windows and locks, and 3 different settings for your memory seats. Storage in the door, great all-weather molded mats, keeping everything in excellent condition. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support. These are heated and cooled, keeping you comfortable year-round, and if I do say so myself, the cooling works very well. On the right side of the steering wheel, you do have a heated steering wheel, as well as your cruise control, Bluetooth and hands-free, audio-mounted controls to the left, paddle shifters. Everything is right at your fingertips. Lane departure warning. Give us your parking brake and your power lift tailgate to the left there. 27,917 kilometers on this currently. And then while we're here, you also have a sand, mud, grass, snow, and gravel option, so different driving modes there. Over to the right and above, you have your push button start, so very convenient between that and the proximity key system. And I'm trying to get, there we go. So there is a heads-up display. The camera, it's very hard for the camera to detect it has to be in the exact same spot, but you do have that heads-up display, which is pretty fancy. And then into your entertainment system here. So from your home screen, you do get a snapshot of your different options. So we'll just do a few of them here. For your media, your sources are AM, FM, satellite capability, and auxiliary. Obviously, you can connect it through Bluetooth. And then you have your climate as well as your front seats. So 3 different settings for heated seats and cooled seats. You do have a great backup camera and parking sensors there. Over to the right, it just is some quick access buttons to a few of the other options there. So moving on down, you have, again, the manual buttons for climate and media. You also have your you can access your heated seats through there, your auto start stop, your eco modes, and then all of the other different driving modes, hill descent control, traction control, dial shifting knob. Into the center console, all of your media ports are tucked away, and you do have 2 cup holders that have a cover on there with another 12-volt outlet. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything is in truly excellent condition throughout here. So again, molded all-weather mats, glove compartment down below. Up above, you do have illuminated vanity mirrors, sunglass storage, and you also have the controls for an absolutely gorgeous moonroof, which will start the process on here. So nice big glass roof. I should have mentioned at the beginning, but this actually is a 7-passenger vehicle. So in the second row, you do have an additional 3 seats. Great all-weather molded mats back here as well. You do have a Meridian sound system throughout this unit. Beautiful styling all the way through. Heated seats back here, 2 USB ports and a 12-volt outlet in the back. You have a little center console. And then the seats do come forward to give you access to the third row, which has an additional 2 seats, giving you obviously 7 in total. So as we head into the back, you do have the option to open it up from here, of course, or inside, or your remote. This is a view with your third row in the upright position. I will show you this after. It's not meant to be opened right at the moment. And sorry, I do need 2 hands for the awkward camera shots here, but these do stow down very easily. And then again, underneath you have tire changing components. And then on the sides here, you do have the third row has access to climate control, it looks like, as well. The seats do fold down if you need that extra hand. And on this side, again, another 12-volt and USB port. So everything is right at your fingertips. Overall, as you can see, that was just a very quick tour. This is an absolutely gorgeous unit. If you have any questions or again, just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.